Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing fine. So today I'm going to be doing another episode of Get Ready With Me for this lockdown Diwali. So I have a hair mask to be shared with you guys because I think many of you would be missing your spas and salons because we cannot be visiting them right now even if they are open because we might get infected. So for those of you, I'm going to be sharing with you all this amazing hair mask which I have used and I really like how it turned to be. So if you're new to my channel, please take some time and subscribe to my channel. It means a lot to me, and give this video a thumbs up as well, and let's begin. So I'm going to be starting off doing the hair mask with two ripe bananas. So bananas are very important for hair care when it comes to shine and voluminous. So it is rich in silicones and potassium which will restore the moisture in your scalp and roots and make your hair shine, and also it's a very good ingredient for treating dandruff. So I'm going to be taking two ripe bananas. You can add more or less, and I'm going to be mashing it, or you can use a blender for a runny consistency. The next one is 2 teaspoons of honey. Honey is a great ingredient when it comes to hair because it has good antioxidants which will treat your scalp, and it keeps your scalp nice and moistured and also gives a lot of condition to your hair. The third ingredient is also a conditioning ingredient, which is a virgin olive oil. You can add 2 to 3 teaspoons depending on your hair length, or if you are allergic to olive oil, you can skip this, or you can use or replace with coconut oil. So I'm mixing all these three ingredients together, and all these three ingredients are very beneficial for people suffering from dandruff as well as very dry frizzy hair. So I'm going to be keeping this hair mask just open for about 15 to 20 minutes so that all these three ingredients get gelled to each other very well. I'm going to be partitioning my hair into two partitioning, and I'm going to be starting applying on one partition of my hair. You can also add curd or water if you want the hair mask a little more runny in consistency. So I'm going to be starting on putting the hair mask. So I'm going to be mashing the hair mask a little more using my fingers, and I'm going to be starting directly from the hair, and later I'm going to be moving into the roots as well as my scalp. So I'm covering up my hair mask with a shower cap, and I'm going to be let it for around 1 or 1.5 hours, and then I'm going to be washing it with mild shampoo. As you can see, I have completed my hair wash, and it was really very soothing and cool, as well as my scalp was neat and moistured, and my hair felt so soft and smooth and shiny. So you can try this, but you can see here and there small backups of the hair mask, but you can take it out. Don't use over shampoo to take all the hair mask out. Just use water to take it out. I really liked how this hair mask turned to be, and I really like how soft and smooth my hair looks. You can see some frizz here and there, but that's okay. And I used a hair protectant before I blow dried my hair, so that's very important. And also I give you another tip for getting better results. You can apply coconut oil or almond oil the previous night, and you can just keep it. No need to apply too much oil, just a teaspoon of oil will be enough, and you can just apply that, massage it well, and the next day you can apply this mask, so that this mask will give you even more better results. So I'll be meeting you all in my next one, and I think and hope that this video is beneficial to you, and let me meet you all in my next video. Till then, stay tuned and take care. Bye.